USA, 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 hey, hey, USA, 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 hey, hey. On my lawn, sitting on the couch, I'ma watch some football. I pray to the Lord the Cowboys win, beat the hell out of them damn Redskins. Ow, that's beautiful. Look at those! Bird.
What is that? Looks weird.
Oh my god, oh my god, it's like not, oh my god, it's going down, it's fucking going down. Holy shit! Holy shit, what's happening? What is happening? What is happening? Oh my god! What the fuck's going on? Oh, fuck off! Fuck off! No, you can't do that. Water. We're over water. We are over water.
Thanks for the update. See, trolls.
Oh my god, save.
$1.
$1.
$1?
I got $1! Like, do we have to pay it now, or can we pay the $1 later?
Smile! It's a party in the USA. Look at that bagel. Look at my bagel. Look at that bagel. We're in Buffalo at Bagel Jays. We got bagels for lunch. How is it?
I haven't tried it yet.
How is it, Alana?
It's good.
How is it?
It's good.
We got peanut butter jam.
It actually looks fucking awesome.
What?
I don't know.
I guess it looks nice little
I got this out of a machine. Some bitches, we're in Pittsburgh.
Why are we in Pittsburgh?
No comment.
So we are in Pittsburgh. We are staying at the Holiday, what is it?
Inn Express.
The Holiday Inn Express. Michelle is Snapchatting me from the frickin' cupboard. So I'm gonna give you a room tour. Let's start at the front door. They're laughing at me. When you come in, this is what you see. To the left, there is a bathroom. Like any other bathroom. It has a shower, a toilet, and a sink. Wow. Then outside of the bathroom, there is a microwave, coffee stuff, and a fridge. And then we've got these two beds here, and a nice window, which it is a view of, I don't know what that is, buildings. And then we've got this little desk area here. It's not focusing. Focus. Focus. There we go. This desk area. It has this really nice chair, and underneath. There's an Alana underneath there. And then we've got this TV, a little bench thing. This lighting is terrible. Oh, that's better. Then we've got a TV and a bench, some drawers, some hooks, and then this little cupboard thing here with another human inside. Wow, front door, there's a mirror. Woo! And there's the door. So that is our room. Yeah!
Like a sit down place and have a drink.
So here's a little story. So here's the story about, whoa, this chair.
I know, it's scary.
This is a story about why we are in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, USA. So we were coming to see intermission because she's making a ruckus.
Vlog squad. 1 second. Pause. Cut this out. 1 second. 1 second. Jesus, sorry.
So, story time on why we were in Pittsburgh. We came to see the vlog squad. They made me say it. And then they canceled their show.
Cause David's a little bitch.
And so, yeah.
Monetized.
I don't make money anyways because I don't have enough subscribers. The sign says, hang on, I'm busy. Busy doing what? She's taking selfies.
What else is new? So now we're here because the hotel's non-refundable and Michelle is Snapchatting me. Kayla's vlogging. Michelle's still Snapchatting me. And we're no. You can't avoid the vlog.
I just don't know how to focus. There we go. So yeah, the hotel's non-refundable. So tomorrow we are going to explore the town of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, in the United States of America.
Which is in North America, which is in the world.
Which is in the universe.
I need a drink.
Excuse me?
A whole bottle.
We driving you to drink something here?
Yeah.
Alana has something to say.
Not quite yet. Michelle's Snapchatting me.
Oh.
I'm in America, I'm just gonna build a wall. I'm doing anything. I built my wall.
Well, the wall needs to come down.
I'm making America great again.
By building a wall, okay, Trump.
Mexican border.
There, now tell your story.
I don't got one.
Oh, it's a green screen.
Oh. You should make a YouTube video.
Oh my god, that'd be amazing.